No. 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 Oh, are you showing me your teeth? No. No. What is this thing? What is this? What? Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Hi.
Wait a minute. Okay. Let's see. Where's my line?
Right here. You're on it. Right here so far. Right there.
All right, get one in the middle right there. There it is. Okay, one there and then one back over here. Okay, get one right in there. Okay. All right.
Took some getting used to.
Shoe one about 6 inches up above. Turn it upside down.
This one?
Move this thing up. That's pretty much right there. Okay. Do me a favor, put one up here.
About right there?
Yeah, push. Okay. And put one here. Here. And then right in between those two. Okay. Alright, let me hear it. I'm gonna put this other one in there.
Once upon a time, there lived a king.
The who?
King. He was only 12 inches tall. He was a terrible king, but you know, he made a really great ruler. You get it? 12 inches, a ruler?
Let me see the hammer.
I thought that was fitting while you're doing that. That's funny. You have to admit it's a pretty cute one. Kind of stumps you for a minute. What? Makes you want to click your heels like, oh, I did it. I don't think that's how you do it though. Back. There you go. Man.
You
y'all? I am back. It's been like 2 weeks since I was here last. COVID hit. I worked for 5, 10, 12 days straight before I had a day off. Quarantining a lot of kids. It's been bad, so I apologize for not making videos. I actually attempted one at work and it was bad to say the least. So anyway, glad to be back up here at the Outpost, and I hope you've been enjoying Dad's videos. I know he's just so excited to have me back. I can tell. So yeah, we'll catch you here in a few.
Change.
I don't think it did.
That's good. Okay.
Bam, son.
Alright. Let's get this one. Excuse me.
Hey. Where does the general keep his armies? In his sleeveys. Y'all.
Here, take your hand. Hit yourself.
I thought that was funny. Yeah, we're glad that you joined us, and I'm glad to be back here as always. Little Smoky's just running around. He's too cute.
What are you doing?
Come here. Look, here. You want some treat? Okay, well, all right. Speak. Speak. Okay, there you go. Good boy. Is he good? Huh? Go get it. Go get it. Boy, it's windy. Hold on just a second. All right, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You want some? Hold on. Come here. There you go. That way you can't turn it over. Well, so this is going to be the front door, and then I've got 2 3-by-4-foot windows on each side. So the only thing that I have left to do now is basically those 2 kitchen walls, which I'll have I think a double window in the front and then another one of these on the side. Haven't quite made up my mind, but we've just got 2 sections left and we're done with this, and I will start on the gables on each end, and that will be the framing for the exterior. The only thing I'll have left to do on the inside is a wall straight from this side to the other side. I'll have a door in each one. I have a walk-in closet on each one that I will have to frame out. So there'll be basically 2 walls there, and then the bathroom, and that's it. There's not too many interior walls, thank goodness. So that ought to go pretty quick. Then we will begin to, after that, we'll begin to close up the inside. I'll have to do insulation, radiant barrier, tongue and groove, and then we're going to do T111 up so high, and then sheetrock on the upper portion. That way we can paint and change colors, and insulation and the radiant barrier on the outside of that. I do have left, probably have to cut some more timber, but I will have some horizontal 2x4s. I'm probably going to have 5 of those, 1 at the bottom, 1 at the top, and then in between to screw my siding to. But since we've only got 10 sections, that's 50 of them. That shouldn't take too long to cut out. I think I can do that in a day's time. And the sides on the upper portion on the outside, that's going to get T111 too. So I think it's coming along great. It's not going to be too long before we kind of get this thing closed in. Before I do the walls, I will have to decide where the plumbing's going and put that in. And we still have to do the radiant barrier underneath. But yeah, it's all coming together. So I'm excited. Watch out. Well, hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and call this a wrap. The sun is getting close to the ridge over there, so that means it's about 3:30, and I've only got 2 sections left to actually frame. Then I can start on my gable end, so I'm getting excited about that, to be able to start putting the siding on. My son, my daughter, and I, we really appreciate all your support, stopping by and hanging out with us while we're working up here at the Outpost. We hope everyone has a great afternoon. Happy holidays to each and every one of you, and we look forward to seeing you back at the Outpost again next time.